Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 12.1 question number 11. Out of 1800 students in a school, 750 opted basketball, 800 opted cricket and remaining opted table tennis. If a student can opt only one game, find the ratio of number of students who opted basketball to the number of students who opted table tennis. B. Number of students who opted cricket to the number of students opting basketball. Number of students who opted basketball to the total number of students. First of all, we find total number of students. Total number of students. We find total number of students. Total number of students is equal to 1800. 1800. Students 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 opted basketball. Opted basketball is equal to 750. Student opted for cricket. Students opted for cricket. Cricket is equal to 800 and remaining opted table tennis. Students opted table tennis. That is equal to, you have to subtract student opted for basketball and cricket from 1800. That is 1800 minus 750 plus 800. That comes to 1800 minus 0587 1550. That is equal to, that is, you have to subtract 1800, you have to subtract 1550 from 1800, 1550 minus 1550, that is 50, this is 5 250, that is 250, that is 250, that is 250. Right? Now A is question number A. What is that? That find the ratio of number of students who opted basketball to the number of students who opted table tennis. Right? That means number of students opted for basketball, right? Therefore, students opted basketball basketball to the students opted table tennis to the students opted table tennis. That is equal to opted for basketball is 750. Here you see, student opted for basketball is 750. Therefore, it is 750. And student opted for table tennis, that is 250. Right? For table tennis is 250. Is 250. Therefore, 750 by 250. This 0 will cut. 5 5 0 25. 5 5 1 0 5. 6 7 2 25. 5 5 0 25. And again 5 1 0 5. And 5 3 0 15. That is 3 by 1. 3 by 1 is equal to 3 is to 1. 3 is to 1. Right? Therefore, we find for A, that is ratio of number of students who opted basketball to the number of students who opted table tennis is 3 is to 1. This is the answer of question number A. Now we solve question number B. Question number B is, now question number B is number of students who opted cricket to the number of students opting basketball. Right? Therefore, ratio of students students opted, this is question number B, students opted cricket students opted cricket to the students opted table tennis. Students opted table tennis table tennis. Right? That is equal to students opted cricket. How many students? 800. Right? That is 800. And students who opted table tennis is 250. Right? Who students, not table tennis, but students opted number of students opted cricket to the number of students opting basketball, not table tennis, but it is basketball. Okay, we're talking it again. Rub this one, basketball. It will be for basketball. Students opted not table tennis, but it is basketball. Right? Now right here basketball. That is B is number of students who opted cricket to the number of students opting basketball. Students opted basketball. Right? Opted basketball. It will be basketball. It will be basketball. Therefore, for opted cricket is 800 and for basketball is 750. If we cut this one, here we are cutting by 5, 5 is 5, 5 is 25, 5, 5 is 5, 6 is 3, 30, 5, 6 is 30, right? 16 is to 15. That is equal to 16 by 15. Therefore, the ratio will be 16 is to 15. That is the answer, right? Therefore, for question number B, The ratio of number of students who opted cricket to the number of students opting basketball is 16 is to 15. That is the answer of question number B. Now we shall solve question number C. Question number C is, you see here. Now in question number C, we will find question number C is number of students who opted basketball to the total number of students. The students opted opted basketball to the total number of students total number of students right, that is students opted for basketball. Student opted for basketball is 750, that is 750 by total number of students here is 1800. 1800, this 0 will cut. Again we divide it by 5, that is 5 into 5, 625, 5 5 25. It is divided by 5, 5 3 15, 16 330, 5 6 30. Then again we are dividing it by 3, 3 5 15, 3 1 3, 3 2 6, 5 by 12. That is equal to 5 by 12, 5 by 12, and the ratio will be 5 is to 12. Therefore, the ratio of the number of students who opted basketball to the total number of students is 5 is to 12. Right? This is the solution of question number 11. Dear friends of exercise 12.1. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.